Air is not always pure and may contain contaminants like dust particles and even living organisms and viruses. Air quality is influenced by many things. They include the environment it is drawn from, the environment of the area it is being released into, and the quality of the equipment it is moved through. Different operations will have varying microbial loads depending on what they process and the environment around the facility. Studies have shown that air quality can be a direct vector for cross-contamination in food processing facilities. There are a lot of out-of-sight and out-of-mind overhead surfaces in food processing facilities, from overhead structural or equipment supports to air handlers and heat transfer equipment. Most of these areas serve a vital function, but may not be addressed frequently with deep cleaning and disinfection programs. Biofilm accumulates in areas that aren't regularly cleaned and have access to moisture, which makes overhead structures and air handling units ideal places for biofilm to form. Because of the physical location of these biofilms, they can be a cross-contamination risk through either air movement or even dropping onto processing areas. Sterilex's liquid perquat chemistry is designed to remove biofilm and kill biofilm-causing pathogens in hard-to-reach areas like air handling systems or other overhead structures. The perquat chemistry was the first chemistry on the market with both biofilm removal and kill claims against biofilm bacteria, making it a great fit for overhead structures and air units that are infrequently cleaned. Reach out to us today to learn more about controlling biofilm pathogens and viruses in air handlers and overhead structure.